Hi folks, Jason here. In this narrative and storytelling workshop, we're going to be creating an animatic made in Photoshop. And in particular, we're going to be using a function called layer comps. So as you can see, I've already prepared a ready-made side-scroller environment built entirely from hand-drawn pencil assets. It features a hero, an orc, a floating eyeball creature, and will also feature some magical effects, all set within a castle ruin. Your task will be to use this setup to explore staging, timing, and visual storytelling, just like an animator or cinematic artist would. So, what you'll learn in the session is how to use layer comps in Photoshop to build a sequence of story moments. You'll learn how to create a short animatic that shows movement and narrative flow. You'll learn how to stage characters, props, and environments for visual storytelling, and how to export and present your sequence for review and development. You'll begin by layering the Photoshop file containing the hero, the enemies, the FX layers, and the scenery. Each layer group has its own organized system, so you'll be able to easily toggle through the visibility and adjust the positions to tell your story. So, what are layer comps? Layer comps are like snapshots of your Photoshop document. They record which layers are visible, their position, and their styles. This lets you build a series of key moments or frames that can then be played back in a simple animatic. Think of each layer comp as a panel in your storyboard, but all inside one Photoshop file. Your task is going to be to create layer comps and then create a short animated sequence showing a simple moment or mini story in this world. So hopefully you'll find this workshop really useful and informative, and you'll learn a little bit more about Photoshop and what it can do and how it can enable you to get the best out of this assignment. So look forward to seeing what you produce.